What's up, everybody? Top 10 AI is here, and are you ready? Today we are going to do about how to replace a sky from one photo and swap it out with a better sky from a different photo. It is fast, it is easy to do it in Sky Replacement Tool, Photoshop, in 4 easy steps. Now, let us go. Step 1, open the photos. First put the original photo and sky pic to Photoshop. Step 2, select the area below sky. Go to Select and choose the Select and Mask button to paint the area what you want to keep in the photo. Then grab Refined Edges button and we are going to paint the details to make the photo perfect. You can also edit the photo through the useful tools. Then click the Done button. Whoa, you masked away the sky. Step 3, combine two photos. Copy the original photo into the sky document. Then, open the Layers panel to edit. Drag the sky photo into the bottom layer and then can adjust it according to your needs. Step 4, edit the pic. Once you are happy with that, you can edit the photo, such as the contrast. Well, you are done. You are successfully replaced the sky, look nice. Last, thank you so much for watching and please hit like button and subscribe it if you like our video. Well, see you in next one.